Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to post on Reddit, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on this plus icon down below in the middle. Then you should add the title of your post. Then tap on what do you want to post, whether it is a text, a link, an image, a video, a poll, prediction, talk, or live chat. And then you can add the body of the text. If you are done with it, you need to press the button next in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you should select the community that you would like to add your post to. Tap on it and then tap on post in the upper right corner of the screen. So now your post is live, you have posted it on this community. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.